Sound is a fascinating phenomenon. It These vibrations create pressure waves. Our ears detect these pressure changes. The outer ear funnels sound inwards. The eardrum vibrates in response. These vibrations travel to tiny bones. The cochlea plays a vital role. Hair cells convert motion to electrical signal. Signals are sent to the brain via the auditory nerve. The brain interprets these signals as sound. Different frequencies create different pitches. Amplitude affects the loudness of sound. Humans perceive sound ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Animals have different hearing ranges. Sound travels faster in solids than in gases. The speed of sound is approximately 343 mph in air. Echoes occur when sound waves bounce off surfaces. Reverberation adds richness to sound. Sound localization helps us identify direction. Interaural time. Difference aids in sound localization. The Doppler effect affects sound frequency with motion. Infrasound is below human hearing. Ultrasound is above human hearing. Sound can be manipulated and altered. Noise can impact our mental health. Sound waves can also be pleasant and therapeutic. Understanding sound enhances our appreciation of the world. Sound is integral to communication. Explore the wonders of sound around us.